Want to generate stunning AI visuals, edit photos, and experiment with AI video all in one place without constantly switching between 5 different tabs? In this video, we are looking at Bylo.ai, an all-in-one AI platform that brings together some of the absolute best models on the market today, including GPT-4o, Gemini Nano Banana, and Flux AI. Whether you want to generate images from scratch, edit existing photos, or check out their newly added video tools, this platform makes it incredibly simple to get started for free. When you first log on to Bylo.ai, you'll see a clean dashboard that lets you choose your creative path. If you want to generate an image, you can easily tap into the power of GPT-4o or Flux AI to turn your text prompts into high-quality visuals. For photo editing, the Gemini Nano Banana AI is incredibly versatile. It allows you to transform a standard photo into a stylized 3D character figure, blend up to 3 different images together, precisely add or remove objects, and even transfer artistic styles and textures from one image to another with a single click. Plus, they have a brand new video section right in the main menu to help you bring your static concepts to life. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is definitely convenience. Having powerhouse models like Flux and Gemini Nano Banana under one roof saves a ton of time and lets you experiment with different styles instantly. On the downside, because Bylo.ai is a newer platform, independent user reviews and detailed tutorials online are still very limited. This means you'll want to jump in and experiment with the tools yourself to see how they fit into your specific creative workflow. Overall, Bylo.ai is a highly promising, versatile playground for creators, marketers, or anyone who loves experimenting with AI. Head over to Bylo.ai to try out their free tools for yourself. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI updates, and let me know in the comments what you build first.